In today's episode of Mindful Recipes, we are gonna make suji and oats chilas because they involve focusing on the process of selecting ingredients, making the batter, and cooking with intention. The use of wholesome, nutritious ingredients promotes the mindful eating, while the simple preparation encourages being present and grounded throughout the cooking experience.
For that, we need tomatoes, onions, chilies, oats, suji, dahi, dhania, and salt. First, we're gonna take 1 cup of suji and sift it into a large saucer. Then, we're gonna take the 1 cup sifted suji and add it into a small bowl, along with adding 1 cup of oats to it. Then, we're gonna add some sliced onions and some sliced tomatoes. We're gonna take some chilies and also add coriander leaves to it. Then, we're gonna take 1 cup of curd and add it to the mixture. We're gonna mix it pretty well. Add 2 tablespoons of salt to the mixture. Mix it again and add some water to it so that the consistency is good before keeping it aside for a while. Now we'll heat a pan, add some ghee on it and take small portion of the mixture and spread it on the pan while dabbing it. We're gonna make it into a small chila. We'll wait for it to cook from one side while adding ghee on the other side before turning them and waiting for the chilas to cook properly. Then we'll serve the hot and delicious chilas with some coconut chutney.